Hi there, welcome to the Digital Decay tutorial number 1. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Digital Decay to work with percussive sounds. So let's jump right in. For this example, we're going to use this sound, which is short beat and sounds like this. We're going to repeat it for 4 measures. I'll loop over the whole section like this. Just the same sound over and over, not very interesting. So we're going to use one instance of Digital Decay and set it up like this. For the time, we'll use synchronized mode and set the main value to 16ths. For the decay, if we set it to 0, that means every repetition will have the same volume. Since we don't need the last 2 repetitions, we're going to turn them off with the parameter knobs, like this. Let's hear how it sounds. Now, if we move the decay knob to the right, we increase the amplitude of the repetitions incrementally, so you get this crescendo effect. Or you could also do the opposite to get a decrescendo effect. So maybe let's set it like this. And now we're going to modify the individual amplitude levels of the repetitions. And we're going to emphasize repetition number 2 and repetition number 5. Let's hear it. With these variations, we have created a perceived rhythm. Now let's move to the crush section. Let's set the main knob to medium. By default, this would be applied to all repetitions, which is indicated by the color change of the lines in the display. But let's try something else. We're going to use the parameter knobs again, but now hold Shift, which temporarily links them, pick any one, and drag it all the way down. This way, all the repetitions are clean, and we can choose which ones will actually be processed by this effect. Let's again choose number 2 and number 5. Maybe a little stronger here. So only these 2 will be processed. Let's hear how it sounds. Now we can add some filtering. Maybe like so. And I also created 2 additional tracks just to make the example more musical. A drone-like sound and a drum machine. Okay, now we are ready, so let's listen to everything together. I want to show you one last thing. Before that, remember that you can try Digital Decay for free by downloading the trial version from customizable.com. It works fully for 7 days, and if you like it and want to purchase it, you can do so through our Gumroad store, which you will also find there. Now the last thing I wanted to show you is this. If you increase your crush level and set it to the maximum value, that's where the harmonic rectifier kicks in. This effect is then randomly applied per repetition and creates the illusion of sounding 1 octave higher because the rectifier flips the negative part of the signal, which also adds a bit of distortion. So let's do that and hear how it sounds. Let's play only the main track so you can hear it more clearly. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to check out Digital Decay, go to habasaudio.com, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for your time.